So, sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang itong King Fahd Causeway na nagko-connect between Bahrain and Saudi Arabia. So, yan ang tatalakayin natin ngayon sa video na ito. Alright, so itong King Fahd Causeway, ito yung bridge na nakokonekta sa Saudi at Bahrain. So itong construction ng causeway is base sa improving links at bonds between Saudi at Bahrain. Ito yung surveying yung maritime nagsimula noong 1968 and construction began nagsimula sa taong 1981 hanggang 1986. So 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 5 years na construction. Then it officially opened sa publiko noong 2008. Ang average na kuan ay 48,600 per day. Yan ang per day yan per day. So 48,600. Yung border station naman ay has total area has 660,000 square meters. The biggest embankments. Okay, so this is artificial passport of island or middle island. Itong King Fahd Causeway Authority and other government ng directorates were occupied by the border station, as well as may dalawang mosque dyan na 2 Coast Guard towers and 2 65-meter high tower restaurants. Okay, so the border landscape, extensive landscaping sa island in addition service in station. Okay, so wait lang ha, basahin ko lang. The border design, which is west side design for Saudi Arabian at saka sa mga Bahraini. The Saudi state border station has its outlets of McDonald's. May McDo doon. Okay, so and Kudu, while in Bahraini, and the border station has McDonald outlets. Okay. Stop crossing was introduced King Fahd Causeway noong March 6 to 2017. Under the new system, commuters will stop one post sa passport control and clearance custom para mabigyan ng exit entry siguro. The measure will ease travel commuters and is also expected to ease traffic congestion on the highway. As the previous system required multiple stop at Saudi and Bahraini checkpoints. Ito yung expansion naman noong July 2010. Saudi newspaper has King Fahd Causeway chief that saying King Fahd Causeway under a major expansion project cost ng $5.3 million. Announced the number of departure lanes would increase 10 to 17 number of arrivals lanes from 13 to 18 both sides. The renovation, constructions, commercial center in Bahraini, So ito yung it will have number of restaurant, coffee shops, and grocery shop, telephone stalls, and shop meets traveler needs, includes climate controlled washrooms, Okay. So ngayon, ipapakita ko picture ng Saudi Arabia side as Okay, so papakita ko na lang.